Hey guys, on this video I am going to show you how to make use of Instagram Instant. Now Instagram Instant is actually a new application, or rather a new feature that was added on Instagram. Now to use this, you click on Instagram, you have it open, then you click on your profile icon to actually access this feature. And on the top right hand area, just this section, click on the plus icon and then you're going to see Instant, so you'll be able to make use of it. Now if you do not have it, just like mine, I do not have it, just go ahead and download the application right here. It's actually a standalone application. Search and then search for Instant, type Instant and then you hit search. It is going to open and select this option that says Instant and Instagram application. So you click on that and then you are going to see a install button right here, but the reason why I have open button is because I already installed it. So go ahead and install. If you are done installing, you click open. Now if you have it open, it's going to open just like this. It's going to start showing the front camera. Now it might prompt you to log in. You can log in with your Instagram application. The reason why it's showing this way is because I already logged in. Log in with your Instagram application and then it is going to bring you to this area. You can click on this section on the bottom to actually rotate the camera, and when you're ready to snap, you can actually click on this to actually snap. So you click on the back to actually snap the back of the camera. This is the back of the camera. Now this is the front of the camera, and if you need to use a flash, you can enable it by clicking on this. So let me go ahead and take one photo and another one. So I just took two. Now if you want to see the pictures you actually took, look at this area right here, your profile icon on the top left. You click on that and you are going to see the pictures you actually saved to your phone, and rather even more settings, and also you'll be able to log out and see even more information. Now to see your pictures that you actually took, on this top right hand area, you are going to see all of the pictures right there. These are the pictures I took, and to see each of the picture, you can click on them individually to see them. And if you want to delete them, you have a three-dotted icon on the top right hand area. You can click to either save to your camera or to your phone, or you delete. Now if you do not want to delete, you can always leave it that way. And if you want to select multiple things to delete, you see this option on the top right hand area. You click on that and now you can select multiple things, and after that you can either download it to your phone or you delete it by clicking on the one at the right, which has the delete icon. But I do not want to do any of that. So after you might have taken all of the pictures, right? Now if you go over to your Instagram application and then you click on this plus icon right here, you click on that and then you are going to see your Instagram Instant pictures or videos that you actually took previously. So the ones below are also the ones I also took with Instagram Instant also. So you can actually click on it to upload it and make use of it as your picture. You notice it says you can actually add to your story or stuff. You can click on it, and then if you want to post it, you can just go ahead and click on this and then you confirm that you want to post it and then you post. And also you can actually make use of Instagram Plus if you want to share that. But I think go ahead and share. Not now. And you notice I can also add it to highlight if I want to, but I think I'm actually okay. It is going to expire, by the way. So if you click on this plus icon, you can always see to post, to make a new post. Let me click here so that you actually understand what I mean. If you click on this area, you can click on this plus icon and you can actually see okay, it's not actually showing the Instagram Instant photos. So guys, anyway, that is actually how you use your Instagram Instant. I thought they have actually upgraded into having it to be able to send a photo on that section, but they haven't added it. But actually you can make use of it or making the post right here by making use of this one to make your post. But it is not yet available from the home section, but you can always do that from this section. So I hope this is helpful. If you have further question regarding this video, leave your question on the comment section and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.